Alright, I was sitting here messing with the tachometer on my Mustang here. It's kind of sets at 200 even when it's not doing anything, and it is indeed 200 off. I checked it with an external tachometer, but anyways, I was pulling the dash out and I found the build sheet, which is the original document for this car when it left Ford back in 67, 68. So anyways, I am carefully removing it, and I'm going to get it out and see if I can't get it framed nicely. So let's see. I've already cut the tape. There it is. It was wrapped around a wiring harness underneath the dash.